A girl found a baby bird lying by her window. She tried putting the baby bird in the parrot's nest, but the mother parrot completely ignored the baby bird and even pecked at it.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain
Just because she makes bacon pancakes.
and swim every ocean
Wow.
just to be with